Show me the girl.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Chantel. So today I am doing my first episode of my Disney series. I basically have written a list down of what characters I want to recreate. I am basically doing like what a Disney princess or character would look like in 2020. I just want this to be really fun and creative. Some looks I'm going to be doing like really realistic, and then some of them I just want to go crazy with the color, and I'm really excited for this series. So today I'm going to be starting off with Belle. So I've roughly just curled my hair. I've added this really cute rose necklace, so adorable. And I'm basically just going to be creating a beautiful like smoky eye with some gold. I've got my gold jewelry on. When I think of Belle, I just think of her being very like natural, more like the brown tones. So I'm going to make her a little glam. 2020, she's a glam princess. And yeah, we're going to just do a beautiful smoky eye with a gold shimmer and just a nude lip. So for a lot of my episodes in this series, I think I'll be using the, what's this called? It's a Princess Thing palette from Colourpop, because one, it's Disney, and two, I think that these shades just match like Disney princesses so well. So I will be using the brown tones and also the gold shimmers in this palette today. But I will show you guys my list that I have here. If you have anything that you want to see that I don't have on my list, let me know in the comments below. I think that I've done like a pretty good range of princesses and characters. But let's just get started. So I am first going to do my eyes, and I'm just going to prime using the P. Louise base. So I'm just going to do one eye on camera, and then when I'm finished with that one, I'll just do the other eye off camera. I'm going to go in with Trident first, which is just a beautiful brown shade. Super pretty. And I'm just going to run this just along my crease. I really wish that this palette had a mirror. That's just like the one thing I wish that this palette had. Gotta use my chunky mirror. So I'm just going to keep layering this shade on. Now I am going to go into Beast, which is a beautiful dark brown with a little bit of sparkles in it as well. But I'm just going to place this on my outer corner and just blend this probably like to the middle of my eye, and then blend it out with Trident. Now I'm going to be going into a mix of Ray and One Kiss. So they're just the gold shades in the palette. So just taking these two shades. These shimmers in the palette are just so pigmented and beautiful. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. Love that. And then I'm just going to go into Just Ray, which is the lighter gold in the palette, and I'm just going to highlight with that shade. I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm just going to do a small wing for this look. Just going to touch that up with shadow. And then I'm just going to pop on these cute little lashes. These are the Modelrock lashes in $2.49. Just very like simple, but also cute. So I'm going to put those on, do the other eye, and then we can get started onto the base makeup. Okay guys, so eyes are pretty much done. I just want to do the base makeup and then finish off with just putting some eyeshadow underneath my eye. So we're going to move on to the base, and I'm going to be taking the Glow Cherie L'Oreal Primer. Sorry if you can hear that background noise. My parents are just doing some like renovation work. I'm going to be trying out this Wet n Wild foundation. I can't even remember the last time I put this foundation on. It's been a hot minute. I don't even know if this is like my shade. Let's just do a test patch on my forehead. I think it will work. Disney princesses have quite flawless skin, so I'm going to do my best with what I have. I forgot how good that foundation is. So now I'm going into Colourpop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I found like this series on TikTok, and I just thought, you know, I haven't really seen it much on YouTube. So I really wanted to do it, just something different. And I think that it's just really cute to recreate like princesses and characters into like what like they would actually look like in real life. I love seeing like everyone's ideas and interpretations when it comes to, you know, looking at a character and, you know, thinking how they would dress and all that. Bronzer, just going in with my Hoola bronzer. For blush, I think, you know, she's not too full on with the blush, so I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me one in Nude. It's just a pretty like rosy tone. I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose as well. And then of course highlighter, I'm going to use a gold one. This is the Sephora Delicate Glow Illuminator. Super pretty. It's one of my favorite highlighters to use. Like, how pretty is that? I'm like literally obsessed. Now it's time to finish off the under eyes. So I'm going to be taking a mix between Beast and Triton and just putting that on my bottom lash line. I'm just going to add a mix of Beast and Midnight Curfew, which is just the black shade, and just run it just on the outer corner. Alright guys, so just got to do the lips and this look is complete. So I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippie pencil in another round and just line my lips. And then I'm going to take this Colourpop Luxe lipstick in Spring Roll, which is just a beautiful pinky nude. And then I'm just going to use this Morphe lip gloss in Freebird. Give her a spray. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I think this is such a pretty and very simple and easy look to do. I'll also have all the information down in my description box if you wanted to know anything in particular. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And also if you enjoyed watching, leave some love. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!